Welcome back to my channel. I'm Valerie Lorenzo. I'm a bit behind, if you will, on this trend. Little device surfaced the interwebs, specifically YouTube, last year. I know that BuzzFeed did a video on it, Sophia Nagard. I know more people did it. I can't remember exactly who it is. But I was fortunate enough to have this sent to me about a week and a half ago. This is my third and hopefully final attempt at recording this video. I was supposed to upload days ago. So the SPHYNX is a portable razor. Yes, I know, don't be a smartass. All razors are portable. SPHYNX is no ordinary razor. It has a few compartments. So you have two blades. Each compartment has a little photo of what it holds in that section. You have a spray, water not included. You have, a little too early for that. Whatever, we're here. And this is the lather bar. It does come apart because you can purchase the refill on their website, and we'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, so this is made for on-the-go quick shave. It's not meant to replace whatever shaver razor you already use. This is just meant for touch-up, you know, it's for on the go. I learned the hard way, and I wish that I could show you guys, but my SD card somehow got corrupted and I've lost all the videos that were in that SD card, period. Rest in peace everything that was in there. So the cool thing about this, like I said, you can refill the blades. So it's a pack of 4 and it's $8, so you're paying $2 a razor. It's not that bad. What I like about it, all you're gonna do is press this little button here and then it just pops off. There you go. You're not throwing away a whole piece of plastic. Just be conscious of that when you guys are purchasing any razor. Even if you don't want to buy this, I recommend Harry's. It's my favorite. It's for men, but women can use it. Okay, so all of these can be replaced or refilled. The water is enough for on the go. So this lasted me for most of my 2 legs. Again, I wish I could show you guys that video. I'll try to demonstrate how it actually works. I did shave. Ew. You hate that. It does come in a variety of colors, pink and purple and black, and it comes in blue. Again, it's $15. You can find this on Revolve, Ulta, Urban Outfitters, Anthropology, obviously the SPHYNX site, and I think I saw a few on eBay. And again, it's only $15. Remember that you get, I think you get free shipping. Don't quote me on it, I can check the website. I feel like if you're really on the go and let's say you have an emergency, pop this in any bag. Like look, I could stick it in here, or if it's perfectly in here, put this in my pocket. You can put this at your desk. Like I was telling you, I did both of my legs when I was going to the interview and driving myself, but I was in the car. And even if you're a passenger, it's not a good idea to shave your leg. I do not want you guys to do that. If you are gonna do a lot of areas, you're gonna need to refill that. I know it's so small, you underestimate the power of how much water this can actually cover. What I don't like though, they say that the reason why they chose to do single blades instead of double blades is because it doesn't clog. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I still need at least a napkin or something to take the hairs off. It doesn't work well if you don't do that. It kind of defeats what the company was going for. Double blade, a lot better. Okay, it's like the cheap blades. So this is like from the dollar store or the beauty store. All right, so this is a great example. This, by the way, is a Harry's razor. It's for men, but I use it. It's the best. I've been using it for a few years already. I would say probably like 3. I will leave a link for you guys to try it. Also leave a link for this, but this is where I'm getting at. It's good for what it's for, on the go, quick touch up, but to really get more bang for your buck, I would advise the company to not use cheaply made razors and go for something a little bit more smooth if you're only gonna include one, or if not, just do a double blade. Be fair to the consumer. It works best if you wipe and go or tap on the sink wherever you want, if you can do that. And one thing that I haven't really spoken about is the lather part. Let me know if you've used this. Let me know if you agree with me. The lather part smells like hotel soap. It smells just like it. It's not too soapy. Ew, I just got some on here. It's not tacky, so it doesn't really leave any residue behind. I'm gonna show you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see my hairs or not. I'm going for it. It's not as drying as hotel soap. So let me do close up here so you guys could see. no hair. And my hand feels really soft. I even think that my complexion, as soon as I shave that, I mean, I don't know if you should shave your hands, but look at my complexion on my hands, where it's a lot smoother. So those are the pros and cons. Showed you guys how to use it. Let me know what you guys think. Have you used this before? Are you curious enough to buy one? If so, I want to hear your experience. If you had to use a napkin to wipe off the excess hair, or if you had to tap it in the sink, what was your story? And yeah, stay tuned. I have so many videos lined up for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and share my videos. Watch some more. Bye guys.